are pleased to show you the 2017 INFINITI QX80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the INFINITI QX80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The QX80 is the most fuel efficient of its kind. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, engine immobilizer, tinted glass, power tilting steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.